Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I have something very, very special for you guys. This is the 1992 Ford Sierra Cosworth. This one is the RS Sapphire. Listen, this came out before my day. Sierra RS Cosworth Sapphire. It's got a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 220 horsepower. It is all-wheel drive. And I never thought I would ever get the chance to drive one, but here we are. This is super, super cool. Never sold here in the States. Recaro seats, which are amazing. Just so much fun. Man, this is cool. This is just so cool. I mean, I listened to so many reviews about the Sierra Cosworth, heard so many stories about it. Never thought I'd ever get the chance to actually drive one, but here we are. This was built to take on rallying, and in the UK, I mean, Top Gear is what made this car really so famous, and all the stories, and it's just created such a legendary status for this car. On paper and nowadays, 220 horsepower does not sound like a lot. In practice, this thing is really quick. I mean, it had a 0 to 60 time in a little over 6 seconds, which in the 90s was blisteringly quick. And it has that kind of 80s turbo lag to it. Which means you hear the turbo building boost before you feel it. And once it delivers that punch, man. In terms of handling, chassis dynamics, everything like that, it's so much fun. You can just tell it's a very playful car. I really hope this camera isn't fogging up because I wanted to do a full photo set with this car. But every time I took a picture, I'd have to wipe the lens, and it just was getting too foggy. And I'm like, it's not worth my time. If I have to do a full photo set, I'll come back for it. This thing is just so much fun to drive. Interior, yeah, it's 90s. Uncracked dash, which is kind of unheard of for these. In really good shape. Rally car noises. That's what I mean. This thing delivers boost in a boom kind of way. It's not like the modern turbos where they spool really quick. This doesn't. This takes some time to build, but once it does, man. I'm sorry about the wind noise, but I'm also not, because it's hotter than can be outside today. Feels like Florida up here in New Hampshire. And I'm just happy to be behind the wheel of this thing. The speedometer's in kilometers an hour, which means I have no clue how fast I'm going. Well, I have a clue, but it is, I don't know. I know 100 is 62. I know that. God, I just wish I had the opportunity to drive this car in the UK or out in Europe, because American roads are just too big for this car. This on a British B road would be perfect. This is kind of a little bit of a dream come true, to get to drive a Sierra Cosworth. Something I've wanted to do for a while, and to finally get to do it is really, really cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.